Okay, this is not the official commissioning of the rail line. The railway line from Lagos to Ibadan, where President Buhari can do today. And now they don't commission the station finish, and now inside the train, we did. It be like they want to take the first trip, and we did here to follow. Go take the first trip to wherever they want lead us go, to see how the train they take waka, how every they take move.
Let some of your men arm men. Let some of your men. Let the train is going to stop. Yes, we are here already. We are almost coming. Okay. Do you have armed men? Do you have armed men?
Someone will stay with us till we enter the next line of action. As the train they move with the full arm. We want to see how the railway lines be, how the train they take worker, how the commercial operation will take start. I dey see all of una comments for our comment section. Later, I will attend to all those una comments. But for the meantime, make una follow us. Make una just give una live update of what they happen and how it happen. Initially, we've been go off because of technical issues, especially from the aspect of jamming of network for the area. But now we will come back and everything there intact. The train goes to move as the president commissioner. The train will move and we will give every detail we gather from this area about the train. So far, we don't see so many coaches of the train. From information we'll gather inside the commissioning hall from the president, he said this rail line, whether the commissioner will later connect to the Kano-Kaduna railway line and also later connect to the under-country Niger Republic. So this one will help create wealth and more job opportunities. This talk said the rail line was to link to the eastern part of the country. We're about to move from this location. The train, they move small. I never knew where they carry us. They follow and they go. She said the train, they move small. For the railway station, we did so we move. Mr. Chibika Mechi will be the governor, former governor of Rivers State and Minister of Works, will talk during the opening ceremony inside. He talks the demolition of over 1,000 houses for only Abeokuta of the state when they want to build this railway. He talks that this is not the third gauge, standard gauge railway where this administration, the commission, and say the Kokobi say they meet somewhere, the former administration they start, and now they meet them and they complete them. And now they start this particular one by themselves, this administration of Muhammadu Buhari, and they start them from the beginning and then they complete them, and now they start commercial activities formally today. One other thing is that a jam. Somehow, inside the hall where they do the major ceremony, they maintain social distance. But for inside this train, there, nothing like social distance. So we just there as we did since they run tests as they run themselves. That's the part of the old building. But they see the old coaches. Even the ones that be tanker, they used to carry petroleum products those days. All of them, security men everywhere in the area. And they still see see construction materials around 9% construction. Never finished. Chief. I want to move around small, make I show now how the area be. Okay, now never see the toilets now. Okay, see the toilets now. And the toilet be that one. And the toilet be that one. Another one. Okay, this one be like Njenje room. And this one that was Chief, I want to go. Would they move? Would they move? Come here, sir. Okay, we'll see the live direct from Ebutte, Lagos. Well, from the bring on this full coverage of the activities where they happen here for Lagos, where the governor and the other governors of the Southwest states with the president, the commission, the Make I try get some pictures from Lagos State from the rain. People they hail the railers with the move. Now Lagos, now they see so we never come on Lagos. For people they shout say Lagos, Lagos this, Lagos that. Like when they see as Lagos be, as if fine rich bar. Now Lagos will still there inside the new train station where government commission. The inside of the train fine as I see with my eyes. So you know see now everything I see at the top. According to government, this one will help reduce unemployment. As many people go there employed, and you know you go connect to so many states and so many people come out the country, we don't need near work. Say that one too will help create job creations. It also help create wealth. You see where would they go? So the train they turn to the left. They turn. Now so we see I'm so brother. Construction still they go on. Look for ground. They still they construct all these ones. So we don't approach another particular railway station and the train don't they slow down to stop. And from here we go now. Give una more shots. Wanna stay with us? Will they bring on everything as it they happen, just as it they happen. bbc.com/pg. I remember Sabine they tell on in the morning about Tori of a waiting president talk for one interview where they do live for TV this morning. Make una enter our website bbc.com/pg and go here. oil preservation tanks for the whole area. I didn't hear you, sir.
This one, you can mount it from here. Because as we approach it, the speed that we take and inspire your teeth to that.
I have to shake this side. There's space there.
Just shift to the one. Because me, I will not be that conscious. My eye is only where I'm going.
Don't let it stop, but even jump before you come out. Don't approach another of the railway stations. This one now there for, and the tram can get the name of the area because it's not this here now plenty security vehicles, plenty security vehicles plenty security vehicles now in there here. I never know where we did, but I know see the president they go somewhere to commission one Navy project somewhere just inside Lagos. So I believe that there this one won't happen because all the security men just full everywhere. Different colors, Navy, police, civil defense. And all of it. So we'll join the coverage from that end.
You know how to come down? Huh? You know how to come down? No, it's still moving. It's still when you get to the destination, right? Yes, I'll just go there. I'll show you how you do that. Okay.
When President will drop down pass, when he will drop down pass.
No.
See him there, see him down.
But you see here, it will stop where he is now.
Yes.
No. They are measuring it now, you are measuring. Can we come down like this? No jump.
We can. No, take them easy for you.
Come down.
See your back. Just take them. Oh yeah, go. Oh, this is sorry, give me. Yeah, if I go down, you give me. Sorry. I want to give him. Put that for your pocket before you come down. So the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, don't arrive for the Navy Center where he wants to do the commissioning of another project live and direct here for Lagos State, southwest of Nigeria. Easy. There is a staircase now. If you use your back. That is the Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and the Governor of Ogun State, and the Governor of Oyo State, and the Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed. And some other ministers will follow them for back. When they come down, finish 9 president will come down. I go brief on of the major assignment where the president come to do here today. Okay, official flag off for the integrated national security and waterways protection infrastructure. That's the major assignment the president come here to do today. He came along with so many of the presidents. The Speaker of the House of Assembly, Mr. Gbajabiamila, is coming down. I think after him, the next person to be stepping out would be the President of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. Hello. That's the Minister of Works, Mr. Rotimi Amechi. Look at the environment of where we are so that we're not going to know where we are. So that's the place. That is the President of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, stepping out of the train for this particular assignment when he gets for this location now. President is talk with some of the governors and the ministers where they come. I never know what they discuss. But we did here. They're going to update just as they come. Let's move, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Please listen to it. Your Excellency, President Muhammad Buhari, President of the Federal Republic of Florida.
They're not arranged well.
No way, on the phone.
No, it's filled up. No more holes. Can you let them just sit behind? Let them go. Board, management, and director general.
The project where the president come here to commission today, now which they call Deep Blue Assets. The project we get to do with the maritime sector. In a little while, they will give us full brief of what the project is all about. But I don't say project with the where they construct the Nigerian government to the ministry, water resources, and
Thank you very much, Mr. Sirius Kola. Of our own board, and at the inauguration of the board, he specifically mentioned one item. As the board of the Nigerian Maritime Authority, Mr. President.
Live here at Ebutte, where the Nigerian President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired, is commissioning the new rail lines, is commissioning the new trains. These are traditional rulers here in Lagos, living the environment, the white cap chiefs living the environment where the president has come to inaugurate. great. The railways. This is the Oba of Lagos. The launch of this project. We have other dignitaries in the building, and we are live here giving you updates coming from this venue. Don't go nowhere.
We have mass transit. I would say this is just the beginning of better things. Means bus transport to assist our men. And God Almighty Allah, the President, the owner of the cabinet, we have started well. I pray to God Almighty Allah. Well. We have to consider us in view of what happened on October 24th. 133 buses, which is being used for mass transport, sovereign of Nigeria, 100 years ago, were born, apart from many other things. The federal government is massive. Consider
Lagos State.
not only Lagos State, all others, but Lagos State, whether they like or not, God Almighty Allah, who has made it like that. Lagos State house nearly everybody left the party, not only Lagos State again. Finally, they consider us for special status. Those who are agitating for the Buhari Republic, as President Obama just said, they don't know what they are doing. Unity, cooperation, progress is what we deserve in this country now. And God Almighty Allah will make it so.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody can aspire to become the president of Nigeria. But security is the responsibility of everyone. As you have seen in the past, the people of Southwest and other Nigeria see all the progress in Lagos right from the time of Buhari Johnson, all other governments, and particularly during the time of Buhari, we have just had all will be well with all Nigeria by the grace of God Almighty.
Have a seat.
That's the Oba of Lagos, Olba Rilwan Akiolu. Leaving for his car now as he exits the venue. We are still live at Ebutte for the commissioning ceremony of the Nigerian Railway Modernization Project, where Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, is commissioning this project. Other dignitaries and well-respected Nigerians are here as well. The Oba of Lagos, Oba Rilwan Akiolu, just spoke with us, talking about that the CCECC are the ones in charge of this project. China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation are the ones in charge of this project, and they put up this here, showcasing the beauty of the project, this project they are on, and other projects they were in charge of. I think this third frame here is particularly interesting because it concerns this project, it concerns the reason why we are here. It talks about the construction of the Lagos-Ibadan railway. We have pictures of the inception as regards this project. We have the untarred roads where these big caterpillars were used in forging the rail lines for this project. And of course the last one there is the CCEC office. We are back at the doorstep of the event where other dignitaries are beginning to leave this event.
The Minister of Transportation and his team for a job well done. It is of international standard, it's beautiful, it's a quality fabric and very well finished. And of course, it's going to ease our life in Lagos.
What will you be telling people that we use in Nigeria that we using this train?
Well, I will recommend that all of us should use it. The high and mighty, the low and the lowly, because it is of the highest standard. So all of us should use our vehicles at home and patronize the train and make it a viable venture. And also decongest the streets of Lagos, traffic-wise.
Sorry, ma, have you by chance been on board?
It's a project that is very timely.
Sorry, ma, have you by chance been on board before?
Yes, I have. I just went in and came out. And it's beautiful.
What was the
inside
experience
is
like?
It's lovely. It's fantastic, and it's very silent. It's just as beautiful as the terminal itself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We just spoke with the area of Lagos. We just gave us our opinion as regards the newly launched railway. So we are still at the entrance of the commissioning site. Here is the big flag, showcasing the flag of. Let's go in. We've done enough at the entrance. We are in now. This is what it looks like to be in here. This is a project that has just been commissioned. This is a project that has just been commissioned. The Nigerian Railway Modernization Project, the Lagos-Ibadan section. Of course, we know that the Minister of Transportation, Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi, was the one in charge of this project for the Nigerian government.
Went to Ibadan from Lagos now. Please explore Lagos.
We'll be taking you outside now. But just in front of you, the security check. If you are coming in from this angle, you have to put your. Let me do a quick example. So that's just a quick security check. If you are coming in through the front door, your bags and packages right through that machine, and it comes out at the other end. Here's where the waiting room will be. Shops, the indication of having shop tags up there probably means that there will be shops here, or a little center where you can buy things and just get some snacks and drinks. Like I said, I'm saying that because of the tag I saw. It's not confirmed, it's just a big guess as a result of the tag. So this is what it looks like to be in here. For those who saw our video in December when this project began, down there, yes, down here is the takeoff point. This is the Lagos takeoff point for the train, and that is exactly what the train looks like, just there. Screen is showing you how the development process for this journey began. It's a short documentary taking you through the process. You can see some of the workers putting in hard work, energy, zeal, strength, sweat, and even some dancing and singing there before this success to come alive. So this is where the boarders will be staying. This is more like a waiting room for those that will be boarding the train. You can see it. It is a 6,000 seater. This entire building is a 6,000 seater, and one of the best on the continent of Africa. Modernization project here in Ebutte, Lagos, where Major General Buhari retired, the president of Nigeria, has commissioned this project. what the inside of the train is like. For those who haven't seen it. This project has been commissioned by Major General Buhari, the Nigerian president. You can still see some of the ribbons on the train. I will be taking you around this building. It's a 6,000 seater. Taking you around the nook and cranny of what we have on ground here and showing you live images and pictures of the real state of affairs here. If you are just joining us, we are still live at the commissioning center of the Nigerian Railway Modernization Project, the Lagos-Ibadan section. Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired, the Nigerian president, was the one who commissioned this project here. Of course, you know that this project was monitored by the Minister of Transportation, Right Honorable Ebutte, and this project has been on for a while. They officially started operating in December 2020.
I'm sorry, I just had to remove it.
Hold on. We are still live here at the newly built railway station here in Ebutte, Lagos, or Yaba as some people love to call it, where the Nigerian President Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired, was the chief launcher of this event, or the chief launcher of this project. Political dignitaries were here as well on the occasion of this August visit. Live here for a few hours now, giving you updates from this site. Here, this is the newly commissioned railway station in Nigeria. It has 6,000 seats. It was commissioned by Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He was the chief launcher here. Right Honorable Rotimi Mechi, the Minister of Transportation, was the one who monitored this project from inception to date. Launched in December 2020, where we had this venue here as the point of living and the point where passengers did arrive from Ibadan. It's Lagos, you can get to Ebutte, from Ebutte to Ibadan. There are a few stops on the way as well. It takes about 2 hours 10 minutes for you to get to Ibadan from here, the Ebutte rail station. It should be faster, it can be faster, but Mr. Jeremiah Oche, the RDM of this station, said it is not fast. It is not as fast as it should be. It is not working optimally because they are trying to avoid a situation where they knock down people on the streets. By people, I mean those who sell their wares on the streets, those who hawk on the streets, those who stay on the rail tracks, and that's the reason why it's not working optimally. And for that reason, it's a 2 hour 10 minutes drive or ride from here in Lagos to Ibadan. Thank you very much for being a part of this. We are still here live monitoring the situation. We'll be giving you updates. But for now, from us, Olufemi Daudu, Olalekan Labode, and myself, Shegun Oduayo, it's adios. Bye for now.